If you're ready to explore the world of crochet, you've come to the right place. My name is Lauren. I created this channel to teach you the basics of crochet and to share the patterns that I've written. There are so many reasons that people love to crochet. Some people want to ease their anxiety and relax by working on a new project. Personally, I love to crochet because it brings me joy to give the products that I make to people in my life. Whatever your reason for being here, welcome. I'm excited to share with you all that I've learned and created over the years. There's video content for everyone. If you've come here to begin your crochet journey, then start off with the Crochet Basics playlist. If you already know what you're doing, dive into the pattern videos and begin a new project. Explore, have fun, and be inspired.